you can connect, and yesterday I asked everyone to even connect yesterday as well, not today I am asking. So
Okay.
whatever it, daily try to connect with alam, so that you can, this initial days are most important to learn each and everything. So once if you get idea, you can go ahead easily, we can go ahead, so not a problem. And what about you, Sami? Did you complete all level 1 activities? Samyuddin, chat, you can text me on chat box. So we can see here, so we have what is multi dimensionality, and what is connected planning, and how we should log in and search different things we have seen. And what is Anaplan home navigation, we have seen this one as well. So
Actually, just one doubt. Actually, this Anaplan for connected planning. No, can you just tell me once again in a brief way? Like I don't remember that. That is why. Login, search, everything I understood. That pulling
yes.
data and all you told. No, what is that about? Like, uh,
Yes, yes. So find like a Anaplan connected is nothing is there. Just we can pull data from financial model to supply chain model to sales and operation model. From one model
okay.
to other model, we can pull the data. So that,
That means when we are creating, if we are creating two models, that means we named two models, we can connect that in both models. That is what we are.
yes, yes, we can pull data from
Okay.
one model to another model. That is known as a connected planning. That's it.
Okay.
Is a much difference we have. So that is not a big problem. You can understand once you can go through that micro lessons. And even I am sharing, try to sharing initial classes like recording sessions as well in our group. Try to go through it whenever if you are available. So that will be again, you will get more things, so as you are listening two times. So we can see here Anaplan home navigations. Already this one as well we have seen how it looks like. This is the home navigation. You can see how home navigation will looks. So you can see. So you have so many models, and my pages you have here, and here you can see notification. It comes from notification comes from like Anaplan support, like Anaplan software side. So you can see we can search different models here. This is a search of model, whatever the model you want search, you can search here. And one more thing, you can see this is a help. You can see community and Anapedia. I have shown this Anapedia. So if I want search anything, so regarding Anaplan, I can go to this Anapedia and I can search. I will get the data. So this is our you can see, you will get our account name, my account. If I want to log out, I can log out from here. So this is these are the different things. You can see here, if I click on home, I will get here home, apps, my pages, models. So these are the all functionalities we have in Anaplan. So these are the things we have. So you can see, if I want to create new model, so what should I do? Simply I should click on these models, then I will get the manage models. So if I click on manage model, I will get one window where I can create the new model. Here I can create the new model here. If I want to copy any model, I can copy. So these are the different options I have. So we should understand these all navigations, how we need to open, how we need to create new model. So these are the things we need to understand here. And we can see, so this home navigation also we have completed. Accessing help and Anapedia resources. So we can see here, so these are the Anapedia, whatever we have. We have accessing help and Anapedia resources, nothing but we have Anapedia, we have so many options we have. If you want to click here Anapedia, if you search, you will get the more details about whatever the things we want, we will get from this Anaplan resources option. So you can see Anaplan model builder navigations. So already we have seen like navigation, nothing but how we can open model and how we can create. These are the things will comes under the navigation we can see here.
As a model builder, you will need to know how to move around in Anaplan. This is an Anaplan model as seen by a user with model building permissions. You can tell the user has model building permissions because the model settings bar on the left contains many icons beyond the one for the table of contents at the top. These additional icons are not visible to end users. Now, let's look at the navigation available to model builders.
So we can see if I open any model, I can see all these options. So if I open any model, so if I open any example model, you can see. So this is known as a model navigation. We have like a time option, so you can see time pane, so you can see versions pane, so generalist pane. So each and every option you can see. If I click here, you can see how we need to set up the time and everything we can see under the time pane. If I click on versions, what are the versions we have? We can check here. So this is a generalist pane. So what are the generalist we need to create? We can see here. So what are the generalists we have here? So this is a modules pane. So these are the all navigations we needs to understand. So what are the things we have here? So like line item subset, we use different scenarios, these options, and you can see here users option, you have users pane. So how many users we have in the for this model, you can see here. Here we can see. So all these things we can see here. All these like actions. So actions nothing but, so we'll get later this one. Whenever if you do import in generalist or module, we'll get that things here in actions pane. Whatever we have done, import, you can see here. If I import data into G2 country list, I can see that action in the actions pane. So in this way we can understand. So these are the different options we have. Even you have manage models option here. If I want to create any new model, by clicking manage model, inside the model as well I can see here new model I can create. I can open any other model. Instead of going outside to the model home page, we have option here as well we have. So these are the different options we have. And if I want to check history, whatever the changes I have done last 24 hours and last 7 days, last 30 days, you can see. So if I click on history, no changes found for the selection. So I didn't done any changes in 24 hours. So that is the reason it is showing. So in this way, if I click on last 7 days, I will get something. Yeah, on that each and every date you can see. So on 6/4 at this time. So on 4th date and 8 o'clock, what I have done. So I have created this line item. You can see. So these are the things we can check here. So each and every changes will get one history ID with date, which user this changed this one. Each and everything will get the detail. So this is the way we can check all these navigations. We need to understand first of all what are these things we have. We need to understand first of all. Later we'll do all these things. So model information, nothing but how much, what is the size. You can see this model size is the 38 MB. You can see here. If I click cursor over here, I can see the size of the model. So we need to understand all these options. What are these options? Why we use? So later we'll set time, versions. Later we'll do all these things. We create generalist modules. But initially we need to know what are these things. What are the users what are the users of this functionalities. We need to understand basically this one. Later how we need to create and everything we understand. Is it clear for everyone what I am trying to explain here? What is the model navigation? Yes. Yes. Are you there, everyone? What is the model?
Yes.
What is the model
Okay.
navigation?
Model navigation is nothing but how to go through this different kind of list like time, version, and all. Then each of the things we can see what are the.
Okay. Okay, fine. Anyway, we can see here. So these are the things we have. We can understand that what are the different functionalities we have in Anaplan. We can see once if we open the model. So this is the basic navigation.
Provides a destination experience.
Yes, someone is speaking something.
On the left-hand banner navigation tab on the top of the screen, you will find a drop-down menu. The items on this menu will vary a bit depending on your permissions and how your organization uses Anaplan. However, everyone should see Home, Apps, and Models. Click Models to go to the Models list, where you can select and manage all the models that you have access to. The second banner navigation tab displays the name of the workspace and model that is currently open. That tab also contains a drop-down menu, which you can use to navigate directly to another model in the workspace, without first returning to the models list.
So already we have seen here. So here if I click whatever the model, if I open that, I can see here. So once I can see here. So if I click here, so many models I can see open from here as well. So this is also another advantage we have. So this is also another navigation option we have. So this many ways we can open the models, like each and every model. If I want to open from here as well, I can open, and here as well I can open. And if I go to models, if I click models again, I go to home page, and from there as well I can open my model. These are the different options I have. So
At the top left of the screen, the Anaplan logo acts as a shortcut to return directly to the home screen.
wherever we have, so if I click here directly, I go to home page. So simple shortcut. So that is the thing, we can go from anywhere directly to home page. So this is another shortcut we have. You can see, if I click here, I will come to home page wherever I am. So directly I come to home page here. So anyway we can see, like
There is a notification icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click this icon to display system messages. If the organization uses Anaplan's workflow features, it will also show any overdue tasks. Note that the icon will display a red indicator if you have any unread messages.
so already we have seen yesterday itself, this is a notification icon, and if I click here, I will get Anapedia option, and we can search different models here. Everything we can do here. So this is a like a navigation option we have. And another thing we can see here, we have one live model we have here in Anaplan. So in level 1, add example model to our workspace. So this is a major example model we have here. Whenever if I click here, I will get 1.4 lesson. Try to remember 1.4.1. Everyone should download this model. If I click here, simply I will get the one model. So what happened? This model, just whenever if I get stuck anywhere, I can compare my model with this example model, so that where we have done mistake, we can easily identify. So that is the reason everyone should download example model for the to compare our model whenever we required. So that is the reason we should download this one. Yes, you can see level 1 example model, new X. This is the third time I have downloaded here. So that is the reason it is showing. So you can see here, and next option we can see here, like so after downloading this model, we can see here what should we do. So simply we can rename that model on our name simply. So rename, like example model is there, Ali level 1 example model, like that we can rename by going the manage models. Simply level 1, this is a level 1 example model, just now I have downloaded. So by going manage models, I can rename here. So simply Ali level 1 example model. Like this we should rename, so that whenever we required, so we can check our answers with the screenshot of our screenshot with this model. Why means, so you can see this is a completely you have here general list, and how we need to set the time, and how we need to create the versions, how many versions we should create, how many generalists we should create, each and everything we have in this example model. Complete model you have here, like we need to create model like this. So this is our main purpose.
Okay, so say similar to that downloaded one, we have to create in the workspace our own model, right?
Yes, yes,
Based on that data, like time, whatever it is given, we have to give the same versions, everything, right? Products
yes,
listing, everything.
yes, we should create. We have steps each and everything in our learning center, we follow that. But whenever if you get doubt, you can check it. Each and every time we should not watch this one. Whenever if you get doubt or if you stuck somewhere, you can check it. So that is the thing, each and every time we should not watch this one. So if you struck somewhere, you can compare your module with the this module, this model, wherever you struck, in which module and which list you have struck, so you can check it at that
Okay,
scenario.
but we should follow that videos and do the workspace activities, right?
Yes, yes. Not video.
Okay, but like,
We don't have
uh,
we in videos we have theory only, but you have like activity. Whenever you can
okay,
is that ready for the live model. This is a
okay,
you should not do anything here or any theory part. But whenever
okay,
you have activity, you can see you have learned how to login process, everything we have here. Nothing, just procedure will have in theory parts, theory lessons. Whenever if you have
okay,
activity means you need to do something in our workspace. That is the
okay. Based on this activity thing, we have to do in our workspace.
yes, exactly.
Okay, okay.
So we have completed our down. We have downloaded the model and we have done rename. Everything we have done. So after completing this process, you can see example model, everything. Make mark as a favorite. So what is favorite means? You can see here if I go to home page. So how we can mark as a favorite means, if I go to home page, I can see the number of models here. You can see so many models we have here. So just now whatever model I have downloaded, you can see example model 3, that one. Where is my example model 3? Here.
To see the today's download, right?
Showing 26 models today. Today.
First,
Yes, this is the example model. You can see if I want to make highlight, mark as a favorite, I should click here. So that what happened, I can see my model like here, and where I see means like I will show this one on home page. I can show this one. You can see in favorites nothing but Ali level 1 example model. You can see here. If I remove this one here, from here I can't see here favorites. So if I have so many models, hundreds of models in my workspace, I can't search each and every time. So I will make it as a favorite, so that what happened, simply I can
So whenever we can use it, whichever model we are working on, we can just take it from there, right?
favorite, yes, easily you can.
Yes.
So that is the purpose we keep as a favorite here by clicking here.
Okay.
Another functionality we have. So anyway, these are the things. So you can see, after completing this one, adding example model to our workspace. So create, we have even a new model we have created, level 1 model, create level 1 model. We need to create the new model, sorry, we didn't create anything. We need to create the new model. On my name I need to create the new model. Then what happened in that model, tomorrow onwards we'll do something, like we'll start creation of list or something we'll do. So creation of like new model here, level 1 model, creation of level 1 model here. How we need to create means just now I have shown. So simply if I don't want to create model here, so I want to create model in another workspace. So you can see here. So I will create new model here. So then to create the new model, what should I do? Click on models and click on manage models. And here I need to click on new model. So what should I do? I will create ASIP level 1 model. I will create new model on the name of like ASIP level 1 model. So once if I create new model, I can see the everything here, like empty I can see here. I need to create each and everything here. I didn't here we can't see any time. We need to set the time. We can see the default things, like these are the default things we can see here. We need to create other versions. General list we don't have anything. Let's default list whatever we have, you can see here. Other than this one, we need to create other lists, country list, region list, everything we need to create. If I go to here, so example model whatever we have downloaded there, I can download here as well. So that is a different workspace, but I want to use this new workspace for you. So that will get expire soon. So that is the reason I don't want to use. You can see here. So if I create here something, we can see easily, we can find here. So send message as a rejoin, Arshad Ahmad.
Okay.
Sameddin, send message in your group like as a rejoin.
Sent as well.
Okay. Please try to keep mute, MD office. So we can see here I have added this example model to my new workspace. You can see here we can find each and everything. All details we can already got create here. So just we need to, whenever if we get any doubt, we can check here. So all these modules are get created here. So we can see here. If we get any doubt, we can watch here. And simply we need to create all these things in level 1 as if level 1 model. And if you get any doubt on each and every one's, we should create on your name own model, whatever credentials we have provided. Is it clear for everyone? What should we do? Each and everyone?
Yes.
Yes. And Alam once share this Abdur Rahman to new works credentials. Abdur Rahman, he doesn't have any new workspace.
Okay.
So anyway, like we can see like other lessons tomorrow. Like we have completed till this first lesson. So we need to start like second lesson onwards. Like tomorrow onwards we can watch. We have completed this created model and everything. Just nothing we have. So tomorrow onwards we need to start design, how we can design the model, what are the plans and disco. So these type of questions we have. So these type of topics we have in the Anaplan second lesson. What is use case and user story, why we need to create this level 1 example model, and what are the plans and